All right, we're also getting breaking news, and viewers, we want to stay with those visuals that are coming in from Bangladesh. As we're telling you, there seems to be a protest that has begun in Bangladesh's Chittagong over Hindu leaders' arrest. Viewers, Bangladesh police detained Hindu holy man Sri Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu of ISKCON. All he ever did was demand greater security for the Hindu minority community. There are protests that have broken out over this illegal arrest, and he is the Dharam Guru who became the face of Hindu resistance against Islamic persecution in Bangladesh. He was picked up by people identifying themselves as detective department personnel. Kishlay, give us more details.
Well, a huge protest has erupted in Bangladesh. Hindus in Bangladesh are out on the streets right now as we speak, and we are getting live visuals from Chittagong. We are getting visuals from Dhaka, and we are getting to know that more and more Hindus are organizing themselves in front of DB office, which is Detective Branch Office in Dhaka. We are getting to know Chinmay Krishna Prabhu has been arrested, and he has been taken to Detective Branch Office in Dhaka. He was taken away, picked up from Dhaka airport a while back, and we reported first on Republic on this news, and this huge breaking, this big breaking coming in from Bangladesh, and the consequences, repercussions. We can see how protests are erupting across Bangladesh, and Hindus of Bangladesh are organizing themselves, are coming down on the streets as we speak, and these are visuals from Chittagong where we can hear slogans of Jai Shri Ram and slogans of Hindus to be united, and they are on the streets protesting against this illegal arrest, this shameless arrest by Bangladeshi police. Now Bangladeshi police, Bangladeshi detective branch is saying that Chinmay Krishna Prabhu had some cases against him which included case of sedition. Now why he has been charged with sedition, we don't know. Bangladeshi police is not speaking about it. But it is for sure that as Chinmay Krishna Prabhu became a very important figure in these protests of Hindus, after Hindus were attacked in Bangladesh back to back, he became one of the influential leaders of Hindus. He is also from ISKCON, Bangladesh, and he became very popular. Therefore, Bangladeshi government has illegally arrested Chinmay Krishna Prabhu. That is what the Hindus of Bangladesh are saying. And right now we see large-scale protests across Bangladesh happening in length and breadth of Bangladesh against this illegal arrest of Chinmay Krishna Prabhu.
All right, thank you, Kishlay, for those details. We're going to continue coming back for this top focus.